everyone, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and it's already time for another Creatively Inked kit. July 2025's kit is just around the corner. In fact, you can reserve your kit right now. So let's talk about it. So this month we are going to work with the amazing Sunrise Sailing Bundle. This is our feature, and we will be using all three elements to create our projects this month. This month, you get to experience the creative genius behind the hybrid embossing folder, which is just amazing. Not only does this emboss like any embossing folder, but you can add dies in here so that when you run it through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, it not only embosses, but die cuts your image. It's just so cool. So you have kind of a vacation, water, nautical theme going here. Really pretty, soft, muted color tones this month with pops of color that will make you think summer nights. So let's take a peek at the projects you're going to make. So again, you will get to create 5 projects in your Creatively Inked kit. You'll make 4 cards and 1 non-card project each month. Plus, you will receive a completed 6th project from me each month using your feature. And you will have the instructions in your PDF tutorial so that you can make it with leftovers in your kit if you should choose. So let's take a look. You're going to receive 2 fancy folds again this month. So pretty colors. You will get to do some different techniques in this month's kit, which include some blending and some ink pad techniques. So these are a lot of fun. And this is amazing, and you won't really know what it does until you get a chance to make it. It's cool. And then pretty soft color tones. So again, your Creatively Inked kit will contain all the consumable supplies that you need to create your projects. You just add your ink, tools, and stamp bundle, and you can create 6 Pinterest-worthy projects in no time using your included PDF. So the kit's $39, and that's delivered right to your door. And you can choose to add on the featured bundle if you would like, or use something you have on hand. And if you choose to add on the featured bundle, I pay the shipping and tax on this when I order it to include in your kit, so it saves you almost 20%. So it's a really nice savings. Or you can choose to order it on your own. And if you're Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, of course, you may already have this. You can order it yourself too if you would like. So if you would like to subscribe to this month's kit, you have until July 20th to subscribe to the Sunrise Sailing's Creatively Inked kit. And I hope I get the opportunity to create a kit for you. I know you're going to love it. So if you have any questions, just reach out. Melanie at melsinkyfingers.com. Thanks.